So today we are discussing about office automation system. So automation is a word which refers to a method of using a wide range of computer and machine aided tasks to help improve productivity and create easier ways to do the business. So in today's scenario, if we're talking about automation, then uh, automation is a type of work which is to be done by the machinery. And if we compare this automation word with the manual system, then we can say that a manual system is a very time consuming and the automation system is very less time consuming. So here we can see that what is an office automation system. In an office automation system, we can create or we can develop a software used to digitally create, collect, store, manipulate and relay office information needed for accomplishing basic tasks, and whatever the raw data in storage or in electronic transfer and the management of electronic business information comprise the basic activities of an office automation system. And these are the advantages of office automation system, where we can see that performing tasks, replacing human operators in tasks, replacing human in dangerous environments like fire, space, volcanoes, and economy improvement. So these are the advantages of office automation system, where we can see that the human operators are replaced by the machines. Here we can see that the office automation system are the configurations of networked computer hardware and software. And why the configuration of networked computer? Because in an office automation system we need network with the help of LAN, MAN, WAN, uh, local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network, and there are further networks for computer systems. With the help of these network architecture, we will send or receive the documents, the images, the files, uh, or important documents from one place to another place. So these are very helpful in an office automation system. So basically computer hardware and software and the network also used in an office automation systems, and these are very good systems for typesetting, printing or electronic recording. And with the help of these systems we can saving both time and money. Here are the types of functions integrated by office automation systems include electronic publishing, electronic communication, electronic collaboration, image processing, office management. And with the help of all these functions, we can use these functionalities in an automation system for different kind of works and for different problems as well. So in this we can see that the electronic publishing is useful for creating document, editing, revise, store, and these print documents such as letter, memos, reports and manuscripts are also developed by the electronic publishing. And there are few specific software for electronic publishing like Microsoft Word, Corel, Word Perfect, etc. So this is the electronic communication, where we can use these communication system, electronic communication systems, for sending and receiving the electronic mail, that is email, voicemail, fax and desktop video conferencing.